May the deer on your trip be hungrier than mine. Still so cool though. Hi dear. Do you want a cookie? You're so much sweeter. No, not super hungry. How about you? Do you want them? No. I want something other than biscuits. Do you want biscuits? Nope, no more biscuits.
This? Good. Wait. You dropped the ticket.
We made it! Woo! Nara Park is on a hill. So we found it. We found the deer just on the right of the pagoda. Once you go up the hill on the right-hand side, you're gonna see that there's a lake and all of this stuff. Keep climbing up the hill. You're gonna do that little hike. It's a little steep, but worth it. And then you're gonna make it to the park, which is huge. So there's actually hordes of people on the other side of the park. I don't know why people went so far for the deer when there's plenty of deer here. Do you want a cookie? Are you full? On the hunt for some deer. I see one. I'm coming for you. Oh man, there's a whole bunch over here. Come on guys, be my friend. I've got the cookie, I've got the goods. Do you wanna come? Hi. Oh. Oh, that was a lot of poop. Oh, hi. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, oh, hi. Oh, thank you. These get pretty feisty. I can see why my son was scared of you.
My sweet, it's okay.
You. Okay, hold on. Hey. Oh my goodness. Oh, hey. Okay. Don't hurt me. Hey. Note to the wise. They can get pretty aggressive. Are you coming for me? I've got the goods. I've got the goods. Oh, you are such a gentle soul. You're so much sweeter. No, not super hungry. Maybe that's why all of the people are on that side of the park. I wonder if the ones here, because they're the first lawn, they're so full. They're like, I've had crackers like all day, y'all. Like, give me something better. Come on. Okay, so the cookies are 200 yen. There are so many over here. Oh my God. Look at how many are just chilling. Oh, they have water. Look at this. There are so many. Oh my God, there's like 20 deer in one section. Okay, but like I said, watch out for the ones with antlers. Hi. Hi, little buddy. No? I'm still on the hunt for some hungry deer. I want to find one that wants a cracker. Fresh biscuits. Anyone? Literally, like I have them hiding in my pants so that I can feed these deer, but nobody wants my biscuits. I was literally telling Daniel today, I was like, I could easily spend 6,000 yen today on biscuits. And I have spent 400 yen and nobody wants my biscuits. Fresh off the oven, biscuits. Do you want a biscuit? I've got biscuits. Biscuits? You? Biscuits, come on. I found a hungry one. Oh yeah, okay, you know what? You were friendly, so you get the good, oh man. Okay, girl, that's a lot of biscuits you took there. Hello, little one. Can I touch you? A couple of tips for coming to Nara Park. One, watch out for these little pebbles right here, because if you're trying to take that cute photo of sitting on the ground, you might end up like me and sitting on deer poop. Pro tip number 2. If the deer are not hungry in the first lawn, if you keep walking that way or wrap your way around, there are way more deer. Actually, I believe that there are 1,300 deer living on these grounds. So there's plenty of deer, you just gotta find the hungry ones, which in my case, as you saw, I struggled a little bit. Pro tip number 3, if you're coming with a toddler, there is a good chance that they will be terrified of the deer and not want to play with the deer or feed the deer or touch the deer. And so do have a plan in the event that your child does not want to feed the deer, and you do, because I'm very grateful that I have a wonderful husband that was very supportive of the fact that I basically just came to Japan to feed these deer and took the kids on a walk so that I can have my moment.
This is how close we can get. What was that, buddy? Did you like saying hi to the deer? Yeah, do you want to go see the deer?
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, did they scare you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look like here and just living.
Pro tip number 4, wear comfortable shoes. There are a lot of stairs on the way to Nara Park. There's loads of shopping and like seriously, like streets of shopping and shrines that you can visit and a pagoda that you can go up. And if you're not wearing comfy shoes, you're gonna be pretty miserable. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing my hiking sandals, which are Tevas, and I usually love them, but they're like 4 years old and have gone through I don't know how many countries and waterfalls. So they're due to be replaced, and I have a massive blister on my foot. Pro tip number 5, or are we on 6? I think we're on 5. Do not wear a dress. I did watch, I'm out of respect for the woman, I did not take video of this, but I did see a woman in a very beautiful dress and a deer with antlers literally looking for cookies under her skirt. And we saw a lot more of that lady than she probably wanted anybody at this park to see. So do wear shorts or pants if you're gonna come.
Look, tell deer to go away here.
You told the deer to go away?
Yeah.
Why?
I pick up.
You picked up pine cones?
There's so many pine cones.
I see. He is willing to go into the deer park to collect pine cones.
Hey, Mommy.
Do you want to go touch a deer?
No.
No. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to feed a deer?
No.
Okay.
And just my feet just crackers.
I did. Mommy did hear the deer crackers. So I hope you've had as much fun watching me beg deer to eat my biscuits as much fun as I had filming it for you. But I hope that you did learn some useful tips for your trip to Nara Park. If you guys have any questions about getting here, how to get here from Kyoto, which is how we got here today, you can go ahead and drop them in the comments down below and I will answer all of those personally. On that note, guys, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button down below to see the rest of our adventures throughout Japan. And I'm also going to be doing a few itineraries and guides. And if you want to download our free Japan packing list, minimalist packing list, make sure that you click the link down in the description below so that you can download that now. On that note, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!
Here, watch this.
Okay, Bubba, I think we've got a lot of pine cones. They don't fit in Mommy's hand. More? Yeah, baby, there's maybe 1 million of them at this park. Okay. Oh, they all fell.